Hi, I'm Tom, also known as Mr. Numbers, and I'm going to show you a really fun trick, ways to multiply numbers up to 8 apart really easily tomorrow in a free Zoom call. The link for it and the worksheets are all in the description of this video. And here's just the squares of 1 to 10, real easy to do, and we're actually just going to work with the squares 1 to 20. But you can go as high as you want with this. It's a really fun trick. And we'll also play with the squares of 5s. So it's really easy to do. And here's basically what it looks like. If you take a look at the top left to bottom right, there are yellow squares, and those are the squares. 1 times 1 is 1, and 20 times 20 is 400, and all the squares in between. And touching those are purple squares, and those are all 1 less than the yellow squares. And then next to that are the green squares, and those are 4 apart, and they're 4 less than the squares. And the reds are 6 apart, and those are 9 less. Yeah, hearing that? 1, 4, 9, and yep, the next yellows are 16 less than the squares, and those are 6 apart. And then 8 apart are the squares, the next purples. So it's a really simple system. And I'm just going to show you the ones that are next to it, because it really shows all of them. Those are the squares. And then those squares right next to it, the whites right next to it, are just a square plus 1 more. So 5 times 5 is 25, and add 1 more 5 is 30. There's the star. You know, it works for all of them. It's just a really cool trick. And it's just a really great way to go. And the numbers that are 2 apart are just 1 less than the square. So the whole thing works like that. It's real easy. Join us. This will be 6 o'clock Eastern Time, 3 o'clock Pacific Time. The link is there. Join us, and I hope that you really join in and have fun learning this, and I'll be there to answer your questions. Enjoy. Bye.